The little dot there up in the middle left, that's a plane coming at me as they come into the airport from out here. More than likely the Sanford Airport. He should loop to the right or left. Yeah, he'll make a left. That was good. That'd be cool flying through that plane, through that cloud right there. And when that happens, oh, look at that for them. Those people are getting a show. Oh, yeah. That's cool. This is part 2. This is from the iPhone. First one was from the iPad. Again, these will be 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So you know if you want to watch. But it's really pretty spectacular to watch. The street light there. Another plane coming. I am watching this from Casa del Randy here in Apopka from my second floor balcony. Looks out over Apopka. It's looking to the northwest. Plane coming. Wow, they're getting a show. I wonder if the people in the tower and the pilots communicate that back and forth, like, hey, you guys seeing the sky, you know, pretty cool, watch out for it, blah, blah, blah. Because it is pretty fantastic. Maybe out there that's a scientist or meteorologist type, you can put in the comments what causes that. Everybody, I think it's called heat lightning, you know, blah, blah. You can Google it. No, screw that. I'm not one to look everything up.